What is 2 into 15? Anyone tell me? 2 into 15.
30.
That is equal to 30.
30.
See, if you observe, this is unit place and this is the tens place, right? What is the place value of 5? That is equal to unit. And what is the place value of 1? That is equal to tens place, right? Now, first you multiply the tens place with 2. 2 10 times is equal to how much? 2 1 times equal to 2. 2 10 times? How much?
20.
That is equal to 20. So 2 10 times, that is equal to 20. Now you should multiply 2 with the unit digit. 2 5 times, that is equal to 2 5 times equal to 10 or
10.
not? Okay. And what is the sum? That is equal to 30. Okay. See, 2 into 15. First you multiply the tens place. What is the tens place? 1. So 2 1 tenths, that is equal to 20. 2 5 ones, that is equal to 10. What is the sum? That is equal to 30. Suppose 2 17 times. 2 17 times. First you should multiply the tens digit. What is the tens digit? Only 1 10 is there. So 2 10 times is equal to how much? That is equal to 20. And 2 7 times is equal to how much? That is equal to 14. So 20 plus 14 is equal to how much? I already explained. Here 20 plus 14 is equal to 10 plus, sorry, 20 plus 10 plus 4, right? So 20 plus 10, that is equal to 30. 30 plus 4, that is equal to 34. Okay, but all these calculations calculated in your mind only. Okay, now suppose 2 into 23. What is the 2 into 23? So just you should apply 2 into 20 times is equal to how much? 220
40.
times. 220 times.
40.
40. 220 times, that is equal to 40. 2 3 times equal to
6.
6. So 40 plus 6 equal to?
46.
That is equal to 46 is the answer. Okay. Suppose 236 times is equal to how much? 236 times. Okay. First 2 3 times?
6.
6. 230 times?
60.
60. Keep in your mind. 2 6 times?
2 6. 12.
12. So 60 plus 12?
72. 72. 72.
72. So 236 times, that equals 72. Is it easy or not?
Easy, sir.
Suppose if you go through like this and explain all the questions of after completing this session, you are able to multiply up to 1000 with single digit. Okay. Now, suppose next example, what is 248 times? Okay. So 2 4 times equal to how much? 2 4 times 8. 240 times equal to how much?
80.
80. So keep in your mind. 2 8 times equal to how much?
16.
16. So 80 plus 16 equal to how much?
96. 96.
Yes, that is the answer. 248 times, that is equal to 96 is the answer. Okay. Now 254 times. 2 5 times equal to how much?
10.
10. 250 times equal to how much?
100.
100. Keep in your mind. 2 4 times equal to how much?
8.
So 100 plus 8 equal to how much?
108.
108 is the answer. That's it. Okay. Now 263 times. 2 6 times equal to how much? 2 6 times.
12.
12. 260 times equal to how much?
120.
120. 2 3 times equal to how much?
6.
6. 120 plus 6 equal to how much?
126.
126. Just Lukesh, just quite Nana and Raj brothers 278 times. Okay, 2 7 times equal to how much? Raj brothers
14. 14.
14. 270 times equal to how much?
140.
140. So keep in your mind. 2 8 times equal to how much?
60.
16. Already we have 140.
140.
140 plus 16 equal to how much?
156.
156. That is answer. Okay. Now here 287 times. 2 8 times equal to how much?
16.
Raj brothers 16.
16.
16 is 16. 280 times equal to how much?
160.
160. 2 7 times equal to how much?
14.
So 160 plus 14 equal to how much?
174.
Yes, 174. So 87th table is also like that. Okay. Next. Suppose 298 times. 2 9 times is equal to how much?
18.
18.
18. 290 times equal to how much?
180.
180. 2 8 times equal to how much?
16.
So what is the answer?
196.
196.
196. That is the answer. That's good. Okay. So this is the second table. Okay. After completion of all the tables, 900 up to 900s, then we move to the thousands. Okay. Now, up to here, any doubt, all of you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, let's go to the third table. 317. 3 1 times equal to how much?
3.
3. 3 10 times equal to how much?
30.
30. 3 7 times equal to how much?
21.
21.
21. So now 317 times equal to how much? 30 plus 21 is equal to?
51.
51.
Yes, yes, yes. So 317 times that is equal to 51 is the answer. Okay, so these calculations calculate in your mind only. Okay, Nana? Now, suppose 324 times. 3 2 times equal to how much?
6.
6. 320 times equal to how much?
6.
60.
60. So we have 60. 3 4 times equal to how much?
12.
So what is the answer?
72.
Yes, 72. Already we have 60 plus 12, that is equal to 72. Is the
72.
answer. Okay. Now 336 times. 3 times equal to how much?
9.
9.
309. Sorry.
Okay. 330 times equal to how much?
9.
90. 6 times equal to how much?
18.
80.
18. So 90 plus 18 equal to how much?
108.
Yes, 108 is the answer. Okay. Next. 345 times. 3 4 times equal to how much?
12.
12. 340 times equal to how much?
120.
120. 3 5 times equal to how much?
15.
15. Now 345 times equal to how much?
135.
135 is the answer. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
352 times. Okay. 3 5 times equal to how much?
15.
15. Raj brothers,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, Nana, 350 times equal to how much?
150.
150. 3 2 times equal to how much?
6.
So 352 times equal to how much?
156.
Yes, 156 is the answer. Okay, good. Next, 369 times. Okay. Now, 36 times equal to how much?
18.
18. 360 times equal to how much?
180.
180. 39 times equal to how much?
27.
Okay, just let Lukesh, Raj brothers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now what is the total answer? 369 times equal to
207.
200 and?
Seven.
Yes, answer is 207. 207 is the answer. Okay, Raj brothers, 374. Now tell me the answer. $374 is equal to
222.
Are you sure? Very
Yes.
good. Yeah, very good now. 2, 2, 2, 3, 7 times 21, 3, 70 times 210, 3, 4 times 12, so 2, 2. Okay, good. And 387 times. Now, tell me the answer. Raj brothers.
261.
361. Yeah. And 398 times. Tell me the answer.
Sir, it's 261.
261. Very good. Very good. But now, what is the answer for 398 times? Yeah. A simple technique is there.
290. 294.
294. See, here two ways are there. One is 3 into 90, that is equal to 270. 3 into 8, that is equal to 24. So this is equal to 294. This is the one way. What is the other way? 3 into 100, that is equal to 300. What we required? 98 only. So just subtract 2 times of 3 from this number. So 294, which is required answer. Okay. Either you go to this way or go to this way. Suppose this number is either 8 or 9, just to go through this technique. Okay. But initially it's a little bit difficult, but do practice well, Nana. Okay, all of you. Suppose the question is, Ramon, listen carefully. 2217 times is equal to how much? 2 into 217. Here, 7 is in the units place, 1 is in the tens place, and 2 is in the hundreds place. So what happened? This is 2 into, here, what is the face value? 200. What is the place value? 10 and 700. Now, what is the first step? Just to multiply this 200 with 2. What happened? 2 200s, that is equal to 400.
400, sir.
2 10 times, that is equal to
20,
20.
sir.
2 7 times, that is equal to 14.
14.
So what is the answer? 434. The
434.
answer. But all of you should calculate this entire multiplication in your mind only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you put your mic on mute. Now, suppose 324 is the answer. What is the answer? See, so what happened? 4 is in the unit place, 2 is in the tens place, and 3 is in the hundreds place. So 2 300s is equal to how much? That is equal to 600. 2 20 times is equal to how much? That is equal to 40. 2 4 times is equal to how much? 8. So what is the answer? 648 is the answer. Okay. Now, 2 436. What is the answer? 2 436. So what happened here? 2 400 times is equal to how much? 800. 230 times is equal to how much? That is equal to 16. 2 6 times is equal to how much? That is equal to 12. Here 2 is in the unit place and 1 is in the tens place. So what is the answer? Answer is 872. Once again, I'm going to explain here. 2 4 times, that is equal to 8. 2 400 times, that is equal to 800. So you need to write down 8 in the leftmost place. 2 3 times, that is equal to 6. 2 30 times, that is equal to 60. So 6 is in the tens place. 2 6 times, that is equal to 72. 72 is nothing but 10 plus 2. So you need to write down 2 in the unit place and 10 is in the tens place. So what is the answer? 872, which is required answer. Next example. 2 745 times is equal to how much? 2 7 times, that is equal to 1400. So 2 7 times, 70 times, 7 to 700 times, that is equal to 1400. 240 times 80. So 8 is in the tens place. 2 5 times, that is equal to 10. 0 is in the unit place and 1 is in the tens place. So what is the answer? 1490, which is required answer. Okay. Now, next example. 2 827 times is equal to how much? So what is the 2 800 times? That is equal to 1600. Just to
1600.
write down 16. Put on mic and mute now. Next, 2 20 times is equal to 40. So 4 is in the tens place. 2 7 times, that is equal to 14. Here 4 is in the unit place and 1 is in the tens place. So 1654 is the answer. Okay, no need to take carry or etc. Just write down this one, you will get the answer. Okay. Now, suppose, but after you have a lot of practice, no need to write down all these things also. Okay, I'll explain that one also. Okay. Now 2 987 times is equal to how much? So what is the 219 times? That is equal to 1800. Just to keep in your mind. 280 times is equal to how much? 160. 1800 plus 160, 1960. 2 7 times equal to 14. 1960 plus 14, that is equal to 1974 is the answer. Otherwise, see, 219 times 1800. So just write down 18. 2 8 times, that is equal to 16. Okay, that was 16 tens. Okay, so 6 is in the tens place, 1 is in the hundreds place. Why? Because 16 tens is equal to 160. 2 7 times, that is equal to 14. 4 is in the unit place and 1 is in the tens place. So what is the answer? 1974, which is required answer. Okay. Yes, yes, very good. Who write down all these things? Now, next, 2 767 times is equal to how much? Okay. So what is the 767 times? 2 7 times 2 700s, that is equal to 1400s. 260 times 120. Okay. So 12 tens, right? So 2 is in the tens place and 1 is in the hundreds place. 2 7 times 14. 4 is in the unit place, 1 is in the tens place. 1 5 3 4, which is required answer. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now okay, is my screen visibility on?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 4 times that is equal to 8. 2 4 times that is equal to 8. 2 400 times is equal to 800. Keep in your mind. 2 20 times that is equal to 40. We have 800 plus 40, 840. 2 7 times that is equal to 14. Already we have 840 plus 14 that is equal to 854. 854. Now 2 5 times 10. 2 500 times that is equal to 1000. Keep in your mind. 2 4 times 8. 240 times 80. Already we have 1000. Okay, 1000 plus 80. 1080. 2 6 times that is equal to 12. 1080 plus 12 that is equal to 1092 is the answer. Okay, 1092. Is it clear, Raj brothers? You did a mistake, Nana, here. Okay. Now 2 6 times that is equal to 12. 2 600 times that is equal to 1200. Okay. 2 5 times 10. 250 times 100. 1200 plus 100 that is equal to 1300. 2 2 times 4. So 1300 plus 4 that is equal to 1304. Okay. Now what is the next one? 2 7 times 14. 2 700 times 1400. 730 times 60. 1400 plus 60. 1460. 2 7 times 14. So 1460 plus 14. 1474 is the answer. Okay. Yeah. And what is the last one? 2 874 times. 800 times 1600. Keep in mind. 270 times 140. So 1600 plus 140 that is equal to how much? 1740. 2 4 times 8. So what is the answer? 1748, which is required answer.
Sir, all are correct, sir. Lukesh.
Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, so this is about the multiplication with the 2. Now, suppose 3 times of 472. Ramam, listen carefully, Nana. 3 times of 472. 3 4 times 12. 3 400 times 1200. Okay. 3 7 times 21. 370 times 210. So 1200 plus 210 that is equal to 1410. 3 2 times that is equal to 6. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 1406, right? 1460 or C. Just a moment, all of you. Okay. Now 3 4 times 12. 3 400 times that is equal to 1200. 3 7 times that is equal to 21. 370 times 210. Okay. So 2 is in the 100 place and 1 is in the tens place. 3 2 times that is equal to 6. So what is the answer? 1416, which is required answer. Suppose 3 5 64. So what is the answer? 3 5 times 15. 3 15 times that is equal. Sorry, 3 500 times that is equal to 1500. 3 6 times 18. 360 times 180. Okay, 18. So 18 tens are there. So 8 is in the tens place and 1 is in the hundreds place. Why? Because 18 tens equal to 180, right? Now 3 4 times, that is equal to 12. 2 is in the unit place and 1 is in the tens place. So what is the answer? 1692, which is required answer. Next one. 3,678 times is equal to how much? Here 3 6 times, that is equal to 18. Okay, 1800, right? Just write down 18 as it is. 3 7 times, that is equal to 21. Here 21 tens are there. So 1 is in the tens place and 2 is in the hundreds place. Why? Because 21 tens is equal to 210. 3 8 times 24, 4 is in the unit place and 2 is in the tens place. So what is the answer? 4302 2034, which is required answer. Is it clear, all of you? Next.
Yes, sir.
3 749 times is equal to how much? 3 7 times 21, 2100. 3 4 times 12. So 2 is in the tens place and 1 is in the hundreds place. And 3 9 times 27, 7 is in the unit place and 2 is in the tens place. 2 2 4 7 is the answer. Okay, suppose if you are comfortable with this type of multiplication, this suppose 4 5 9 6 2 into 7 9 4 8 3, these type of multiplications are very simple. Just write down in a single line. No need to write down 4 steps or 5 steps and then add all the numbers. Okay, but you must be comfortable with the basic, just like these numbers. Now, let us take an example. 3 742 times is equal to how much? What happened? 3 7 times 21. So 2100, just write down 21. Next tens place, right? So 3 4 times 12. Here 12 tens are there. So 2 is in the tens place and 1 is in the hundreds place. 3 2 times, that is equal to 6. So what is the answer? 2 2 2 6, which is required answer. Suppose 3 8 97 times is equal to how much? Here two techniques are there. The first technique, 3 8 times 24, 3 9 times 27, 3 7 times 21. So what is the answer? 1 9 6 2 2 6 9 1 is the answer. This is the one way. What is the other way? Just 3 into 900, that is equal to 2700. We required 897 only. That's why just subtract 9 from this number, 2691, which is required. Next, 3 917 times is equal to how much? 3 9 times 27, 3 1 times 3, 3 7 times 21. So 1 is in the unit place and 2 is in the tens place. So what is the answer? 2751 is the answer. Is it clear?